Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and good solid volume on the day. But in particular, again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because you can see right here, the final 30 minutes is where the biggest volume came all day, and the price reacted very nicely with it up there. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price could stay up above 78 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 78, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bulls' part if the bulls could maintain above that. In the event the price can hold above it, next key level of support to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. And keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge more so the overall health of the move. This right here being defined as quote unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above the purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are 100% in control. No questions asked. What about levels of resistance? If this upwards movement is going to continue, where are some potential battlegrounds? As far as where those resistance levels are, we may have to go to another time frame. Yeah, let's change to the daily. This is a good problem to have because the chart has not been up this high for quite a while. So there we go. There. Wow, yeah, it's been a long time since the price has been up this high. And even on the daily time frame, still getting pretty difficult to see. So next level of resistance going into tomorrow looking like 83 cents. And then after 83, next key level up there at the 90-cent mark. So 83, 90 cents, next couple key levels of resistance to keep an eye on. All in all, though, as long as the price keeps on building higher lows like it's been doing, the overall chart will continue to take care of itself. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.